Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a versatile vacuum cleaner that can handle everyday dirt, pet hair, carpets, and hard floors, the Shark Navigator Liftaway ZU503AMZ is definitely worth checking out. One of the first things that stands out is the liftaway design. With liftaway technology, you can separate the portable pod from the main vacuum, making it easier to clean areas that are difficult to reach with a traditional upright vacuum. Think stairs, furniture, upholstery, corners, and other above-floor areas. Pause. The Shark Navigator also features self-cleaning technology, designed to help maintain the vacuum's brush roll during cleaning and reduce the need for manually removing tangled hair. And for homes with pets, that's a particularly useful feature. The vacuum is also equipped with a HEPA filtration system, which is designed to capture fine particles and help improve the overall filtration of the vacuum's exhaust. Another major advantage is its ability to clean both carpets and hard floors. So instead of needing separate machines for different floor types, the Navigator is designed as an all-around household vacuum. Pause. The vacuum also features swivel steering, which makes it easier to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. That's especially helpful when you're cleaning larger rooms and need to move around tables, chairs, sofas, and other objects. For above-floor cleaning, Shark includes tools such as an upholstery tool and pet crevice tool, giving you additional options for cleaning furniture, tight spaces, and areas where pet hair tends to collect. The 1200-watt motor provides the power behind the vacuum, while the upright design gives you a familiar full-size cleaning experience. Now, there are a couple of things to consider. This is a full-size upright vacuum, so it isn't as compact as a cordless stick vacuum. And if portability is your number one priority, you may prefer a lighter cordless model. But if you want strong everyday cleaning, HEPA filtration, lift-away versatility, pet hair tools, and carpet and hard floor compatibility, this Shark Navigator makes a lot of sense. Overall, the Shark Navigator Liftaway ZU503AMZ is a versatile option for households looking for one vacuum that can handle floors as well as above-floor cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.